Andrew Wilson, CEO of EA, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
So, Andrew, $2.1 billion deal. Why was it so important to make this big push into the mobile space with this Glu Mobile acquisition? Why now?
Well, we feel really good about where we're at as a company. Again, we have a long history in mobile. We've had great games over the last decade, including Plants vs. Zombies, Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes, Madden, FIFA, Sims Free Play. But mobile's the fastest growing gaming platform on the planet. It entertains billions and billions of players. And we saw an opportunity with Glu to bring together two amazing teams, two great collections of IP, our global reach, and really expand and drive growth in our business around this great, fast-growing platform.
Now, Andrew, I think it's interesting that this is your second meaningful acquisition in just a couple of months. You recently bought Codemasters. They have a big racing game. What does this tell us about your plan to do more M&A? Can we expect you to continue to be acquisitive? And what types of targets are you looking at?
Yeah, I think that as we've come through COVID, it's become apparent to us that games have become an even more important part of people's lives. And we've seen tremendous growth in our business and are overjoyed with what our teams have been able to do for players through this period. But it's really accelerated two secular trends. First, social interaction is moving from physical to digital, and the consumption of sport and entertainment is moving from linear to interactive. And we sit at the very intersection of those two things. And so we feel really good about our internal teams and our organic development, and we've got lots of exciting things ahead. But at the same time, we think there's an opportunity to accelerate our growth and really rely on, global scale and a network of 500 million players to do some amazing things for players. And so when we think about acquisition, we think about, does it make financial sense? Does it make strategic sense? Do we think there's a cultural fit? And do we have real faith in the leadership? And when we look at Glu and Codemasters, both deals are accretive. Both deals add to our ability to have strategic growth in our business. Both teams have, aligned cultural sensibilities. They share our passion and philosophy for making great games for players. And of course, both teams have unbelievable leadership. And I would tell you, as we went through the process with both, as I got to, interact with the leaders of these companies, I got even more excited by what we would do together.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.